dear students? I am Francis sir, and today I am here with class 7 lesson 4 chapter 8 part 9 lecture of this chapter. Okay, so in the previous lecture we discussed about the various applications of conduction and convection. So today we will be dealing with applications of radiation. Okay, so before we start with the applications, we shall revise. Okay, we shall revise with what is radiation and how does it function. Okay, little bit. So radiation is a mode of transfer of heat in which no material medium is required. Number one, yes. No material medium is required. No material medium is required. Okay. Number two, that radiation happens with the help of electromagnetic waves. We talked about it, no? Electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. So this is the second point. First one this and second one this. So we have it, no material medium is required, and then if no material medium is required, how it is transferred? It is transferred with the help of electromagnetic waves. I also did mention that these electromagnetic waves is a form of, it's just like the light waves. Okay, light waves, radio waves, all these are electromagnetic waves. So these heat waves, are also electromagnetic waves. So this radiation of heat, radiation which brings heat, it is also called infrared radiation. What type of radiation? Infrared radiation, or it is also called thermal radiation. It is also called thermal radiation. These are the two names of the heat radiations. Means the type of electromagnetic waves which transfer heat are infrared radiation, or you can say thermal radiation. Okay. Now we have a concept in radiation. And that concept is about black body. Black. You see this black board. Same black body. So what is a black body? Black body is not a substance which is black in color. Black body is not a substance which is black in color. There is no color like black. Thing is, black body is such type of body. Okay, it is such type of body. Let us say that this is a black body. Okay, if any radiation comes to this body, this black body will absorb that radiation, and it will not allow this to move back. Means it should absorb, and these radiations will not come out. Means these radiations get trapped inside it. Okay, these radiations get trapped inside it. Got it? So such type of bodies are called black body. Such type of bodies are called what? Black body. Okay. So what is a black body? Black body is the best absorber of heat because it has the tendency to absorb radiations, or you can say these electromagnetic waves. It is very good at absorbing those. These are special type of bodies which are very good in absorbing electromagnetic waves, or you can say this infrared radiation or thermal radiation. These are very good. Now you understand, if it absorbs any thermal radiation or infrared radiation, it will absorb that energy, heat energy, and when it absorbs heat energy, it will become heated, heated. Since it gets heated easily, it will also radiate easily. I told you on that day that radiation done by a body is depending upon the amount of temperature it has. Okay, means the greater the temperature, the greater is the radiation. So a black body, when it absorbs heat, it gets more heated up. And since it gets more heated up, it also radiates more. So the most important point about a black body is that a black body is the best absorber of heat, as well as it is the best radiator of heat. Okay, why? Because since it gets heated up easily, it also radiates easily. Every action has its equal and opposite reaction. You can consider that. Okay, so this was a black body concept, and this black body is a very important topic. Okay, you should always understand these points. Okay, it is the best absorber of heat as well as the best radiator of heat. Okay, now let's go through some of the examples. Okay, questions. Why do we wear light colored clothes in summer? Okay. Why do we wear light colored clothes? For example, this is a light colored cloth and it is summer. So why do we wear light colored clothes in summer? Because light colored clothes, these light colored clothes reflect heat, reflect radiation. Light colored clothes reflect radiation. Okay. Therefore, since it is summer, we want to be cool. And for that we need such a cloth which does not absorb much heat, Okay, so we wear light colored clothes because it reflects the radiation and does not absorb much heat. Okay, now the second part, and dark colored clothes in summer. Why do we wear dark colored clothes in summer? As we studied about this black body, dark colored clothes, they are good absorber of heat. Since they are good absorber of heat, we can keep warm. Okay, in winter. Now we go to the second question. Why cooking utensils bottom are painted black? See, cooking utensils, we want to cook food only because, how? By heating it from the bottom. Fire is there at the bottom. Fire, This is the utensil, and here we have fire. And here we have fire. Yes? It is like this. So this portion is painted black. Why? Because fire is there. So when it is painted black, it absorbs the heat very easily. It absorbs maximum amount of the heat, and therefore the food which is present here, it gets cooked very easily. Thus saving time and fuel both. By making the food cooked very fast. Why does it happen? How does it happen? Because this black body, it transfers heat very easily. Now, the third question. Why the pipes of the solar heater and containers of the solar were painted black? Again, the condition is same. Black body is a good absorber of heat. So, understood? Same answer. They are painted black so that they can heat the water or cook the food very easily because they can absorb heat very easily. Black bodies are best absorber of heat. The same answer. Now we have the last one. Why does an electric loop has a polished surface? Now, polished surface. I told you that this infrared radiation is a type of electromagnetic radiation, and you know about light. That light is also an magnetic wave. So, if light has the property of reflection, this infrared radiation or thermal radiation also has the property of reflection. Okay, both. Since both are radiations, both are electromagnetic waves, both have the same radiation, means same property of reflection. Now, when we see a heater, we have the heating rod here, and this is the reflecting surface here. So this radiator, it radiates heat in all directions, and obviously we are sitting here in front of the heater. So we see that half of the radiation is going away from us and half of the radiation comes towards us. So this section of the radiation is being wasted. You see, this is going that way and I am standing here. So that side radiation that is being wasted. So what do? We put a reflector here such that these radiations which are going to the opposite side are reflected back towards us. So we put a reflector. In heater so that the heat radiations that are moving away from us comes back to us and the heat be useful. Okay. So with this we end the chapter, and our heat chapter was quite a long chapter. Yes, but the thing is, I made it long so that you could understand it well, and I want you to go through each videos properly and go through and understand each point properly. If you have any problem, you let me know. You can message us in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so you study well. See you in the next video. Good day.